Today. Now, with me in the crowd, I have a number of agents here to assist you with your bidding. From Loan Market to my right, we have Min Duan, our in-house finance broker. If anyone has any finance questions, please feel free to approach Min. Of course, we also have Richard Chu to my left. Katherine Yu also is here to assist, as is Ming Shu directly opposite me here. Just watch out here, everyone. And of course, last but not least, we have Katherine Olsen and Jody Yuan, the listing agents who many of you would have met over the last 4 weeks. So please feel free to approach any of our very friendly agents. They'd be more than happy to assist you. Now, today we are selling by way of public auction. This means that a 10% deposit will be required upon signing the unconditional contract. Settlement terms quite flexible. 30, 60 or 90 days. We are conducting a Schedule 1 auction, which means that today's auction will be conducted in accordance with any rules or additional conditions that were made available for inspection prior to the start of today's auction. Now, as your auctioneer, I will be indicating bidders on request, and the vendors do have a reserve price. Now, the law prohibits me as the auctioneer from accepting any bids or offers after the property has been knocked down to the successful bidder. The law also prohibits false bids from the crowd. It prohibits major disruptions by bidders. It prohibits bidders attempting to prevent others from bidding, and it provides fines for this conduct. The rules do, however, permit vendor bids, and the words that I will use to indicate that I'm making a bid on behalf of the vendor are simply the words vendor bid. Now, by law, ladies and gentlemen, only I, as the auctioneer, may make a vendor bid today. Now, today, one of two things is going to happen. Either one, we will sell this property under the hammer at or above the vendor's realistic reserve price, or two, the property will be passed in. Now, in the event that the property is passed in, please note that only the highest bidder will be reserving the first and exclusive right to negotiate with the owner and agent at the completion of the auction. So two very important points there that I would like to repeat. Firstly, that no late bids are permitted under Victorian law. Once the hammer has fallen today, the property has sold, and if I'm not looking at you when that occurs, you've missed out. Point number two, I said this only just a moment ago, but I will repeat it. Only the highest bidder will have the first right to negotiate with the owner should the property pass in. And the reason I repeat those points is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. I want to make it as clear as possible to everyone here that you understand that you must bid if you would like to be in the running to purchase what we have on offer today, which is beautiful brick veneer property, ladies and gentlemen, in the heart of Bayswater. And of course, we are so close to some of Bayswater's great amenities. But I'll talk about the location in just a moment. Let me touch upon some of the key features that the property offers, whether it be the ample living space. We've got two massive living areas to be enjoyed. So, of course, larger families will have more room to move. And, of course, smaller families will have more room to grow. We've got three ample-sized bedrooms, of course. We've got that renovated bathroom as well. Very easy care gardens. We've got that beautiful garden out the back, of course, the veggie patches. And, of course, we've got ample car accommodation as well. Not only with this carport, but that massive double garage out the back as well. The owners have done a great job updating this property, meaning the lucky purchaser today can move straight in and enjoy that work. And it's a long list of inclusions. They've recently painted the property. There's beautiful timber floorboards. There's heating. There's cooling. The list goes on. So a lot of hard work's been done already for you. You don't need to lift a finger. As I said earlier, a great location as well. I myself grew up in Bayswater, so I can attest to the fact it's a very family-friendly area. There's some great schools. I went to Bayswater West Primary School, but there's a variety of primary schools within easy reach as well. You've also got Bayswater High and a variety of high schools also only moments away as well. There's a lot of shopping to be had as well with Westfield Knox just around the corner. You've also got Central Bayswater with the railway station. There's buses along Stud Road. And of course, we've got lots of parklands in the area. We're close to bike tracks. We're close to parks as well. And we're close to some great restaurants. There's a great Indonesian restaurant just around the corner as well, ladies and gentlemen, that I would personally recommend. Now, what we're going to do today, ladies and gentlemen, is opening bidding. Before we do get started, let me remind you again, though, that we have both Katherines here. We've got Jody, we've got Richard, we've got Min, and we've also got Ming Shu as well. So now would be a great time to approach them before we get started, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm going to hand it over to you now. I'm going to ask for a fair and reasonable opening bid to get us underway. We're here to sell, you're here to buy. Who'd like to start me off with a fair and reasonable opening bid to get this auction started, ladies and gentlemen? Don't forget, you must bid to buy. You must be in it to win it, simple as that. Otherwise, you've missed out. We've got a very motivated vendor today with a very, very reasonable $750, Katherine. It's a bit lower than I was hoping for, but I will take it nonetheless. $750, and welcome to the bidding. Good luck. Also, ladies and gentlemen, Well, hang on a minute, 750, 800, Katherine, there we go, $800,000. So the bid to my right, currently a two-horse race. Katherine, it's against you now. We're at $800,000. Bid is here, looking for a rise of 50, but I will take 25 perhaps. Can I encourage a bid of 25,000? Same applies to everyone else here in the crowd. We're at 800,000. I'm happy to take a rise of 25 from here to put you back in front, back in the driver's seat to purchase. Don't forget, no late bids. 800,000. Bid is here, looking for a rise of 25 to 825. Ladies and gentlemen, 800,000, looking for 20. Thank you very much, Jody. 820. I'll take the $20,000, ma'am. Same courtesy if you like. 20,000 to 840. Also same courtesy. 840 is now what I'm looking for. So the bid here at $820,000, looking for a rise of 20 from here to 800. 840. Welcome back at $840,000. Jody, it's against you at 840. Katherine, it's against you at 840 as well. So the bid at $840,000 now, looking for a rise. Happy to take a rise of even 10 perhaps. I'll encourage you to come back with 850. First call at 840,000. Bid is here. Second call, 840,000. Looking for a rise to 850, no less than 850 at the moment. Third and final time. Ladies and gentlemen, 850,000 is what we're looking for. Do we have it? Another $10,000. $850,000. A rise of 10. That's all it'll take to put you back in the driver's seat to purchase today. We're at 840,000. Of course, I welcome some new competition. Ladies and gentlemen, 840,000. Bid is here. Rise of 10 going 850. Thank you, Jody, at 850,000. And with that bid, we're on the market selling today, ladies and gentlemen. So 850,000, 860. Welcome back, Katherine. And, of course, the lovely buyer next to you. I'm not sure if you heard that, guys. We are selling today. We're playing for keeps. The hammer will fall, and there will be a sold sticker on the board. Make no mistake. If you would like to be the one placing it there, you must be the highest bidder. Simple as that. 860,000. Bid to my right, 870 or more. First call at $860,000. Second call at $860,000. Looking for a rise of at least 10,000 from here. The bid is here at 860. We're looking for $870,000. Everyone welcome to join in, but we are certainly at the business end of this auction. If you fail to bid, don't forget, no late bids are permitted under Victorian law. It's 870. Richard, thank you very much. Welcome, sir and sir, to the auction today. Good luck. 870. 880. Thank you, Katherine. 880. Sir, it's against you again. 890. Straight back at you at 890. 900. Thank you very much, sir. And sir, $900,000 even. Ball's back in your court. It's against you. 910. Thank you very much. Ma'am, it's against you at 910,000 now. It's also against you, Katherine, of course, and Jody at $910,000. Looking for 920. 910. The bid is here. No further bids. We sell today. Simple as that. First call at $910,000. Second call, 9. I'll take the 5. Thank you, Katherine. I was about to offer a $5,000 increment as an option. 5,000 again, if you like, to 920 perhaps, sir and sir. What do we say, gentlemen? Give it some thought. 915,000. Bid to my right at 915,000. It's against you. Auction's not over yet. You're still in it with a chance. Same applies to my right here. We're at $915,000. Looking for a rise of 5 to 920. Otherwise, we sell. Ladies and gentlemen, first call at 915,000. Second call, 915,000. Third and final time at 915,000. Do we have an answer, gentlemen? 915. Could I call 920 and keep you in the running to purchase today? Otherwise, you run the risk of missing out. As I said at the start of the auction, the owners have done so much work to this home. You don't need to lift a finger. You move straight in and enjoy the home and enjoy all of that hard work as well. But if you would like to enjoy all of that, then you must bid now. Otherwise, you will miss out. It's simple as that. 915.
930.
930. Even better. Good strong bid at $930,000. $930,000 now. 931. Okay, I'll take the 1, but just to be clear with everyone here, bids of no less than $1,000 today. So 931, ma'am, you're back in front at 931. Gentlemen, it's against you again. I'll offer you that courtesy, a $1,000 rise. I prefer more, of course, but happy to take the 1, but no less than 1. Katherine, 931. First call at $931,000. Second call at $931,000. Third and final time, $931,000. Are we all done, gentlemen? Silent, finished? 932. New bidder. Welcome, sir. Good luck. 932. Against you again, ma'am, at 932. 933. There it is. Thank you. 933, Min. Against 934. 935. Yes. 936. Yes. 937. Yes. 938. Yes. 939. Yes, 940. Thank you, Min. 941. We've got it. Against you at 941. 942. Thank you. 43. We're at 942 now. I need 943 or more. Ideally more, of course. 943. Bid to my right. Looking for a rise of at least one. Same applies over here. You open the bidding. Happy to see you finish the bidding. What do we say? 943, no, 942, sorry, Min, thank you. 943 is what we need, ma'am. You've still got a moment to think about it. I'll check in with everyone else over here. So much excitement, we're dropping everything. 942, it's just under the car there. 942, gentlemen, we need 943. Are we done? We're done, okay. If that's the case, thank you for your bidding. $942,000. Jody, do we have an answer over here at 942? Looking for 943, we're all done? Okay, thank you very much if that's the case. So, ma'am, it looks like it's now just a two-horse race. We're at 942. 94, we're shaking our head, never a good sign. 942, we need 1,000, otherwise we've sold. No late bids, as I said. Sticker on the board this afternoon is guaranteed. Who's placing it there is not. You still have a chance at 942. We're looking for another 1,000, otherwise we've sold today. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll call it again, perhaps for the final time, at $942,000 going once. 942 twice. 942 third and final time. One more thousand. There it is at 943. Minutes against you now. We're at 943. Ball's back in your court. That look of shock on your face highlights that you probably weren't paying attention, but that's okay. 943. I certainly am paying attention, sir. Don't you worry about that. 943. We'll come over here. We'll check. What do we say, sir? 943. We need 944. Otherwise, we are done. At 943, bid is here. Looking for a rise of at least $1,000. Otherwise, we sell. First call at $943,000. Second call, $943,000. Third and final time, 943. Are we all done? Silent and finished, sir, at 943,000. This is it. No late bids. I must have said that 10 times. I'll say it 11. What do we say? Do we have an answer? Are we done? Okay. Thank you very much, sir. I'll do the rounds, and then I think we're okay over here. It's looking good. Ladies and gentlemen, $943,000. Gentlemen, are we absolutely certain? Yes, okay, thank you. Over here, we're done. Wonderful, all right. Where else are we? We've got a lovely family over here. We done, guys? 943. Okay, it's looking good. 943. Ladies and gentlemen, for the final time, $943,000. First, second, third and final time. If we are all done, silent and finished. And today, ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure of announcing that we are selling. Are we sure over there? Yes, selling. Sold! Congratulations, man. Well done.
Thank you very much.
You've done well. Congratulations. Bad luck, guys. Good luck at the next one. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to another BigginScott auction. It's been great having you here. Have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you next